Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am Ranjit Kaur, your drawing teacher. Today, I will teach you how to make a rose using paper craft technique. Okay, we'll learn many things in paper craft. Today, I'll teach you how to make a rose. And from this rose, you can make a beautiful card. See, and you can make a stick. You can give to you anyone for the bouquet. You can make a bouquet, and you can use these flowers to wrap your gift and to enhance your gift. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we will be needing 4 squares of 4 by 4 inches of any color. You can take red, you can take yellow. I have made one flower with the yellow, with the orange, with the pink. So you can use any color sheet, and this should be 4 by 4. Okay, and after this, first of all, we will fold our sheet, first square, like a card fold. Okay, see, and then hanky fold it crisply. Okay, it should be very crisp. And then one triangle fold. Very carefully do with the all 4 sheets. One, I'm doing it for second, then for the third, after this we will take any one coin and place it like this. Place it like this, and see, you have to, when you place your coin, you have to be very, very careful. Don't keep it on a open side. Keep it on the folded side. See, carefully I'm showing you. Then just keep it like this and draw a semicircle on all the 4 sheets, and then just cut it. And students, when you cut it, you just have to make a little deep from this side. Corners should be little deep. And then cut it from the back also, a pointed size. Then just place it on the another square, and then draw it again, and then you have to cut all the 4 pieces. Right? Now after this, see, I have cut for you all the 4 pieces. Then just cut it from the back. I'm cutting it. All the 4 pieces. Then open first one, open it and cut. See, we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces, and from the first one we will cut 1 piece. We will cut our 1 petal and just keep it in front of you. We want this piece also. These are not leftovers, we need this also, and from this another piece we will cut 2 petals, but joined one. Right? From the third one, we will cut 3 pieces, 1, 2 and 3. Right? And from the fourth one and the last one, just cut it from the center as we want. Okay, now we will take our first petal and then just fold it, very carefully fold it and paste it with the help of Fevicol or Fevistick, whatever you are having. With the help of Fevicol or Fevistick. Just fold it and keep it aside. Then we will take the second one. Again, apply Fevicol, fold it, hold it for a while, keep it aside. And when you take the third one, you have to fold it to the reverse side. Just give an impression with the help of toothpick, or you can take a brush, or like flowers do like this. You can do it like this, but I will say do it with the toothpick. Now the third one we will paste. As you can see, I am not applying much of Fevicol, as if you will apply so much of Fevicol, it will take more time to dry. But see, now take the fourth one. You can use, again I'm saying, you can use a toothpick. See, with the toothpick it turns easily, and we need it for the flower like this. Just apply a Fevicol on one petal and then fold it and paste it. Keep it aside. You have to hold it beta for 2-3 seconds, or you can say 10 seconds. Then the another one, with the fifth one, fold it. With the help of toothpick, fold. Apply Fevicol on the one petal and then paste it. The another petal on this. Now again the last one, I think last one. No, I have one more. You have to fold, do this exercise with the every petal, okay? And if you want to make rose in 2 colors, you can take 2 squares of one color, or 2 squares with the another color. See, this flower I have made in a 2 color. I am applying the Fevicol and then just this was left. Fold it. When you make flowers yourself, it looks very beautiful, and when you gift others, they will feel very special that you have made flowers with your own hands. So now, first of all, we will take the biggest one and apply Fevicol at the center of the flower like this. Then we will keep, okay, then take another, apply again Fevicol, the another petal, then you have to little give pressure also in the center of the flower. Then, and if you want to make small flowers, you can change the size into 3 by 3, 2 by 2 inches. This I am making with the 4 by 4 inches. I will show you flower size of 3 by 3 inches also, and 2 by 2 inches also. Now see, our flower is ready, and you have to just keep it aside and take any sheet, and then you can paste these flowers with the help of Fevicol. See, I'm pasting the yellow one first. This I've made it for you earlier, and then the second one. Then if you want to make a stick, what you can do is you can take any green sheet and roll it on a pencil, and then you will get this kind of stick. Okay, and with this stick, what you will do is you will just cut it and then make a 4 cuts here. Then just open it, apply Fevicol on this, and just place your flower in this, and just okay. See, stick is ready, and we need leaves also with this. You can see, and for the leaves, what we can do is we will take any green paper and draw leaf shape, and then just cut it, fold it and cut it. You will get 2-3 together. See, I have got 2-3 leaves together. Fold it again just to give an impression. Fold it like this, and then just do a fan folding with this. See, then you can apply Fevicol here, and then paste it like this. It is up to you. You can paste 1 leaf, 2 leaf. It is up to you. Turn it. See, and this stick I have made with the newspaper. You can make with the newspaper, and then you can color it. After this, you just place your flowers like this on the card, and then just paste the leaves. This flower is with the size of 3 by 3 inch. This one is with the 2 by 2 inch. And these are the things which you can do. Just take a thin strip and then roll it again, like, just see, you will get this kind of rolling, and then wherever you want to paste it, you can paste here or there with the help of Fevicol. See, and then in the last, what I did is I had this sparkle tube, and I just give a little sparkle to the flowers, and see, just a sparkle at the edges of the petal. So make a flower, make a card, and then click a picture and send me at my email ID. Thank you. Stay home, stay healthy.